Okay, so we're looking at this figure over here to the right. We know that S and T are parallel to each other, which means R is a transversal and U is a transversal. Okay, so we have two transversal lines here. We need to figure out the measure of angle 7, 8, and 3 using the knowledge that 2 is 110 and 11 is 137. So we need 7. I'm going to highlight these. So we need 7, 8, and 3. Those are the angles that we need to figure out. What do you want to do first? Would 2 and 8 be alternate interior? Do we agree? So here's my transversal line. Are they both on the inside? And are they on opposite sides? Okay, so 2 and 8 are alternate interior, which means they are the same. So 8 is also 110. So I would write over here 110 degrees, and then I would say alternate interior to angle 2. That's how you justify your answer. It's an alternate interior to angle 2. 2 more to go.
And then 3 and 9 would also be
3 and 9. 3 and 9 would also be alternate interior, but we don't need to find 9, I guess, and we can't use that because we don't know what 9 is yet. Well, I guess we could figure out. What is the measure of angle 9?
It's the same as it's 100.
How is it 110?
Because it's the same as 2.
It is not the same as 2. It's not the same as 8.
It's vertical angles with 11.
It's vertical angles with 11, right? Right here, they're across from each other. So the angle of 11 is 137, so that means 9 is 137.
That means 5.
So then looking at this transversal, they are alternate interior. So then that means that the measure of angle 3 is, so the measure of angle 3 is 137. And we know that because it's alternate interior to the measure of angle, what was it, 9? 9. And we know 9 because it's a vertical angle. I wonder what they used. They used that, of course this isn't working now. They used that looking at this transversal right here, 3 and 11 are corresponding. So they said that that means what they would be equal as well, but we found the same answer. So now we just need, oh, sorry about that. We just need 7, correct?
No.
So we know 9 is 130. 9 is 137. 137. 137. 2 is 110. And then we also know that which one was 110?
8.
8 was 110.
What did
So we need 7.
So 5 and 7.
5 and 7 be corresponding? No.
Would 7 and 1
With 7's on the outside. They'd be alternate exterior. 1 and 7 would be, but do we know what 1 is? That didn't help us.
What about 7 and 4?
What about 7 and 4? What would they be?
Maybe like
They don't really have a relationship.
I didn't know like their angles.
We could find the measure of angle 6. How's that going to help us?
Oh yeah, we could do that.
What type of angles are those two?
Oh, no. Or
Supplementary, right? Because 7 and 8 form a straight line. So then if 8 is 110, what's 7?
70.
Just 70. So then the measure of angle 7 is 70 because it's you can write that supplementary to angle 8. What did they use? They said that 2 and 6 were corresponding. So they said that 2 and 6 are corresponding, therefore they would be the same. 2 and 6. That doesn't help us. They got the answer of 70 as well. They kept going with it, but we got it. Okay. Your homework is to finish that page, so page 375. Supplementary